A critical part of ensuring the protection of our people is putting the infrastructure in place to house and rehabilitate delinquents and criminals. Government is committed to this.
Jamaica, like many countries in the Caribbean, have a correctional system that was built primarily in the 19th century. I think is a first modest step towards replacing the old dilapidated plant of the correctional system with modern, progressive facilities that meet all the human rights standards that we want to match and exceed.
And it is for this reason that a new 304-bed, two-story medium-risk block will be constructed to house inmates at the Tamarind Farm Adult Correctional Facility. Contract signing for this $164 million facility took place in August 2015.
This is very significant. It's in that it's the first in a very long time that we're seeing new capital investment in an adult correctional facility. The vast majority of our inmates would be classified as medium risk or low risk inmates. They typically are serving a sentence of less than 2 years, and many of them a sentence of 12 months or less. So it's really unnecessary and undesirable to keep those persons in a maximum security facility for many reasons. One, we are overcrowded in those facilities. And secondly, they're not ideal for rehabilitation purposes, given the fact that they're 17th and 19th century facilities respectively. And thirdly, the best practice would be to separate first-time offenders or medium risk offenders from hardened criminals who generally are reserved for the maximum security facilities. So for a whole host of reasons, this is important.
Spaces at the Tamarind Farm facility are expected to increase by 87% with the addition of the new block. It is expected to be completed in 6 months, with construction work being carried out by contractors M&M Jamaica Limited.
We commit ourselves to do everything in our power to deliver a good product at a good price and in a timely manner.
The project will be managed by the Jamaica Defence Force JDF, which will also assist with the construction work and provide site security. Speaking of the JDF, their Coast Guard has been strengthened following the receipt of maritime intercept vessels and tactical communication equipment. The two 37-foot Boston Whaler vessels and equipment were handed over in August by the United States government. It will significantly impact operations to ensure the safety of Jamaica's borders.
This marks a very significant occasion in terms of addition to our assets on the maritime side. Persons who traffic and seek to otherwise abuse our space for profit knows no boundaries. And so it is very important that we all work together. And this is a significant gesture in that regard, Ambassador. As we continue to build out our strategic assets to play our part in addressing this problem, these vessels will make a significant difference in terms of the ability to respond to threats and seek to address the trafficking through our waters.
At that handing over, it was also announced that Jamaica would be receiving 4,000 non-lethal weapon kits, including about 260 body cameras from the United States Bureau of International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs. In August 2015, The Justice Ministry signed off for a $48 million high-density filing system to be established at the Supreme Court's registry located in the new Public North building in downtown Kingston. The system, which is part of the Justice Reform Program, will save time and money on filing and refiling while increasing storage capacity. It is to be ready by about mid-October this year.
This is an important technological facility to support the activities of the registry, which, as I have said, is itself, the registry, a critical element in the efficiency of the business of the Supreme Court.
From establishing state-of-the-art correctional facilities to increased equipment to patrol our waters, and the right systems to protect information in the justice system, Jamaica continues to intensify and upgrade our infrastructure security.
We're very encouraged by the progress made there. We feel that a transformation is taking place within the system.
No doubt, a crucial transformation to aid government's strategic priority of creating and maintaining a secure and just society for all.